Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a new video. I hope you guys all are doing good. So friends, in today's video you will know about the magic of black long heels. So they lies in their simplicity and elegance. They have the power to transform, to elevate and to inspire. In many ways they are the unsung heroes of the fashion world, working behind the scenes to complete every look with a touch of finesse. Their timeless appeal makes them a favorite across ages and cultures. From the bustling streets of New York to the quaint alleys of Paris, black heels have left their footprint. Their adaptability is commendable, making them as fitting for a corporate presentation as for a romantic dinner. The journey of mastering the art of wearing these heels is filled with highs and lows, quite literally. While the initial days might be marked by stumbles and missteps, with time they become second nature. The transformation they bring, both in posture and confidence, is remarkable. So, here is a short reminder: if you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have already subscribed, please do not forget to press the bell icon in order to get notifications of my new videos. So also like, share and comment on my videos. So let's back to our video. Through the years, designers have played with the silhouette, introducing innovative designs and textures. Yet the core essence remains unchanged, that of timeless elegance. So few items in the world of fashion can claim the iconic status that also includes black long heels. So one worn by men in the 16th century for practical purposes like horse riding, heels underwent a gender transition, becoming a female fashion by the 18th century. Over the decades, designers have experimented with the design, introducing myriad variations. From the classic pump to the daring stiletto or the comfortable block heel, black heels cater to very aesthetic. So black, with its innate ability to match with almost every color, offers a canvas for countless outfit combinations. Be it a vibrant dress or monochromatic ensemble, black heels seldom look out of place. Their designs have evolved with each era, bringing its own flavor. From the ornate designs of the